If you are a beginner, you might be asking yourself this question: is it possible to basically trade with your mobile phone, or you need a computer? So the answer is yes, it is possible to trade with your mobile phone. Whether you have iPhone or you have Android, you can basically use this to make a whole lot of cash. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically analyze the chart and basically enter a trade just using what your mobile phone. If you want to start trading, all right, crypto, forex, indices, stock, or whatever financial market, all you need is what? Your mobile phone and access to internet for you to start trading. So in this video, I'm going to take you step by step on how you can basically what? Analyze the chart and enter for a trade just using your mobile phone. If you find value at the end of this video, it's going to make my day. If you like, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Without wasting time, let's do this.
So guys, firstly, you need to analyze the chart, okay? Before ever you enter a trade, you need to basically analyze the chart. So there are two forms which you can basically do. First, let's say you are trading synthetic indices, all right? You can basically go to this website here, deriv.tradingview.com, because like we have TradingView. TradingView is just like a platform where you tend to do your analysis, and you go to your brokerage account to enter the MT4, MT5 to enter a trade. But you can also trade with TradingView. However, so I'm just going to show you how to analyze. Okay, I have a complete tutorial about TradingView. All right, you can basically check the description of this video to watch that. So you go to, for example, like deriv.tradingview.com. All right, so when you tab in this, you are going to see this first one, chart.deriv. You tap this. So it's going to take you to this particular platform. Okay, let's say for example we are trading synthetic indices. So Deriv is what a broker. It offers synthetic indices. You can also trade currencies here, right? Forex, cryptos, and other stuff. So you come here, this is basically the chart which you are seeing. The first thing you need to know about this one, you don't need to basically create an account. Okay, you can just go to any chat engine, Chrome or Safari. All right, then you just tap just search for trading view, all right, derivtradingview.com, then you're going to arrive here. You don't need to create an account at all. But the side down of this one, if you don't do your analysis and there's no way for you to save, so in case you go back, you have to come again and start doing your analysis all over again. But I'll just show you this, and I'll show you trading view in brief. Okay, then the complete tutorial you can watch. So now, when you open your phone, you are going to come, at this side here, you are seeing different what tools, right? All right, by my left hand here, you are seeing different tools, and at the top here where you are seeing this R25, okay, you are seeing what R25 and all. Let me just try to see. All right, where you are seeing here, let me just try to increase this pixel. All right, so where you are seeing this arrow is pointing that particular area, you are seeing arc 25. So if you basically just go to that area where you are seeing arc 25, this is where you can basically select all the tools. So if you want forex, you just type in forex, and you can open whatever pair you want to basically open. If you want stock indices, you just type in here, you're going to see the ones that are offered here. You want commodities, all right? So let's say you want cryptocurrencies like this, you can see. Let's say we want to trade indices, okay? So for example, let's say we want to trade like V75. Okay, so you can see ARC 75, but at the bottom here you're seeing volatility 75 index. You just tab in. So this is what the chart, okay, this is what the chart of this particular indices. Then you come here where you are seeing at the top close to this one, you are seeing time frame. This are the time frame which you can basically use. You have the 24-hour. If you select now 24-hour, each single candle you are seeing here took 24 hours to form. Okay, one day. Each candle, be it green or be it red, so each candle you are seeing here is taking took 24 hours to form. Then you come again here. If you select 8 hours, you are going to allow it to load. Each candle you are seeing here is taking 8 hours. So currently this one is formed. It's going to take complete 8 hours for this one to fully form, and at the end of the day then another one is going to form. So these are different time frame, all right, depending on the type of trader you are. Whether you are a scalper, which means you enter into trade with seconds to at least highest 1 hour, you move out. You are a day trader, you open trade, within the day you close. Okay, you have your swing trader, position trader, and all. So you have like 4 hours. Okay, so you can select each and anything you want. For example, you come to 5 minutes as well. So which means each candle you are currently seeing here is what took 5 minutes to form, and the current one currently is also taking what 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I know that new candle is going to form. So this is the use of what time frame. Then you come to the top here, you have what this candle, all right, like different patterns. We have like bar. So which means you basically want to see this. Before this time, this was what was basically used. Okay, so you have what the line. I basically love using my line. Okay, so this line chart to basically draw what support and resistance. For example, if I basically want to draw my trend line now on my support zone, it is what more visible. So I always try to what whenever I want to draw what my support and resistance. If you don't know what support and resistance is, you can basically check my technical analysis playlist, all right, and you can basically understand more. So I can use this now to draw what a clear trend line and everything, which I will show you shortly. So you can basically, after your trend line and everything, you can basically come back to what this chart. Okay, you might want to ask, if I use a line chart to basically draw support and resistance, is it going to be visible? Yes, it's going to be clearly visible when you use what your candlestick. All right, so this is it basically here. And for this other option you are seeing here, where you are seeing 10 these prices, 10 this current one where you're seeing the candle form is the current market price. All right, then let's come to this tool. At the left hand here, you are seeing what cross, okay? You are seeing dot, arrow, you are seeing areas, just like you see this arrow. So now if I want to basically what use this arrow, I can just basically what go ahead and use the arrow, okay? Then you have what this other trend line. All right, so these are the most important tool which I use. I use trend line, okay? So if you don't know what a trend line is, you basically need to watch the video. All right, trend line is a straight line that connects two tops or bottom. Okay, I'll show you how to use. Let's say like this now. So let's say firstly we select what we want to do, top down analysis. Okay, let's say we want to do what top down analysis. Let's say we want to select the 24-hour. So each candle you are seeing here. So after selecting this, you can just what come with your trend line like this. Okay, you can just like this draw what a perfect what trend line. Okay, so this is basically what we use trend line for. This just for tutorial purposes. So like you can just what connect something like this. Okay, so if you want, you can change the color from here, and you can also change what the thickness. Okay, from here as well, you can see 2 pixels. The more you select 3, so I love to keep it like 2. Then after which you just tap. Okay, so you can see like this is what a trend line. Okay, it must connect to top or bottom. All right, then the third one is going to be your confirmation for an entry. So after we then, this is what we mean by trend line. This is how you use the trend line. So I use trend line in almost all my trades. Okay, so if you want to delete, you just chart again, and you are seeing this delete box, you basically what delete. Then we still go here again. Let's say if there's another stuff that I use. I basically use the scale line for this area. Then we come to the second one. This fifth stuff, I don't use Fibonacci stuff. And we have this brush. So you, in case you want to clean, and rectangle. This rectangle is basically, I use this one to draw like my support and resistance zone. Okay, I use this to basically draw my support and resistance zone. So you can basically see like this. You can just draw like this. I don't draw support and resistance line, I draw what zone. Okay, for example, if I basically like what try to crop, let's say I want to draw here, then I'll just try to paste this here. Okay, I'll just try to what basically do this here. You can just minimize this, so I want to make it tiny. Okay, so like this now, this is what my resistance zone. Okay, you can just tab, you see. So if you want to change the color, you can come here, you change the color to whatever color you want to change. Okay, you can come here, change the color to whatever color you want to change. So you just draw what your zone very well. Whenever you are drawing a zone like this, you need to what firstly make sure the wick are covered completely from the top. Okay, you cover the wick, because why price have reached to that level before, there's possibility again price is going to reach that level again. Okay, so you can basically do this. If you want to delete, you delete this. I'm not showing you the tool, and we are going to analyze a chart like this. Then that's how I use the rectangle. We have this part is basically when you want to basically explain, like if I want to explain to you guys about market structure, I'll be like, okay, this is higher high, all right, higher high, and you say what higher low stuff. Okay, so you basically like what tend to use the parts for this purpose. For example, like this, and I'll just like it was supposed to go, then I'll just say, okay, this is what my higher low. Okay, I'll say, okay, this is my higher low. Let's say I want to show you guys like a kind of structure. Okay, so higher high, higher low, and all. So you can basically use this in also your trader. I use part as well, and I believe like for here I just use the rectangle. All right, and also sometimes the eclipse. All right, then you have what your text in case you want to what save anything when you want a journal when you're trading. Like you say, okay, for example, you say what entry price. Okay, you want to take note, like you want to say your entry price is what 2345.24 and all. You can just take what your notes and everything. Okay, you want to make it bold, you want to make it this and all. You can just interlink the size and everything. You can change the color and everything. You can basically change from here, after which you tap okay, it's going to be available on your screen. Okay, then you come down to this level. This is what your long and short position as well. So a long basically means you are saying the market is going to go up, so you just tab in here. At the end of the day, you just tab in and you just shift it to where you want it. Okay, you just shift it to where you basically want it. Okay, so this is for long position. This bottom you are seeing here is going to be what your sell stop. Okay, your stop loss, sorry, your stop loss, and this green is like what your take profit, where you want to take profit. So you can just go to what the MT4 or MT5 now. This where you're seeing this green at the top, this price here where you're seeing green. Okay, you enter the price as your take profit. Then at the bottom where you're seeing this red, you enter what your stop loss, like 10 0 1, sorry, 1067 18.6244. That's going to be your stop loss, and this area which you are seeing like gray, all right, which you are seeing like gray is going to be your entry price. All right, whether you want to enter markets, if you don't know the type of market orders, you can watch my video again. We have what market execution, we have buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limits, and all. So you can basically watch that. So you also have the opposite, which is what they sell, where you are going to short. Okay, this one you are saying the market is going to drop. Okay, so at the top is going to be your take profit. So this price at the top here where you're saying is going to be what your take profit, and this one at the bottom here where you're seeing this green here 10 10 86.5770 is going to be your take profit, and this is going to be your entry price, this one at the middle. Yeah, so we have also like risk to reward. All right, what do we mean by risk to reward? Let's say for example, if you are risking $10 in this particular trade, you are planning to make what $30. Okay, whenever you need to pay attention to this risk to reward. So in a situation like this, now we are saying the risk of reward is what 2, which means if I'm risking $50, if the trade hits my take profit, okay, I'm going to make what $100. All right, if I'm risking $10, if the trade hits my TP, I'm going to make what $20. So if the risk of reward is what 3, let's say it is 3, when you are saying you are risking what, for every $10 you risk, you are going to make $30. So in case it hits your stop loss, you are going to lose $10, but in case it hits your TP, you are going to make $30. So that's the meaning of risk to reward. Okay, that's the meaning of risk to reward. You want to delete, you can basically what delete. Then let's see if there's this are emoji. Let's see if there's another tool here. So these are basically the tools which I basically use. Okay, these are the tools which I basically use on a daily basis and all. So now if you basically want to analyze, okay, let's say now you understand all this basic stuff, we have what we call top-down analysis. For me, I'm what a day trader and I do swing trade as well. So what you are going to do, you start from the hour 4. Okay, if you are a scalper, you are a day trader, start from hour 4. So we are going to take our trend line. Okay, we are going to take our trend line and we want to connect what we want to draw. We want to know the trend of the market by this, without doing even trend line. You know already the direction of the market, right? You already know the direction of what the market. So you see we have drawn like this first. Okay, we have basically drew this line. This is what a trend line. A trend line is what a straight line that touches what that you can connect to two tops or bottom. Okay, so this is what a trend line. So we have drawn our trend line. So we have connected the top. If you want, you can also connect what bottom. We can go again, take what the trend line again, and what try to connect what try to connect the bottoms as well. Okay, you don't need to force this trend line. If you are forcing it, you are going to get what a wrong entry. So we have basically done with this one. Okay, let's see if we have any key zone. No, there is no key zone for here currently. So you can now move toward the H1. Okay, you can now move toward the H1. This is what we do, like top down analysis. You tend to do what your top down analysis first. So you see, so this trend line is still what valid. Okay, so it's still what valid. Okay, see the market is like what dropping here. So if you want to use your indicator, you can basically use your indicators here as well. Okay, so let's say, so this is what valid. So if there's anything you want to do, probably you want to draw like zones here. You just try to select what the zone. Okay, let's come to the top. Okay, so like maybe this is what a key zone. Yeah, this is what a key zone. Okay, so this is basically what you need to do. So yeah, so you basically come with this a little bit down for it to just cover the wick. Okay, all you need to do is like what, just cover the wick. So in case what does this basically signify? In case like what, price basically moves here, comes here, we are expecting price to what, move back to the downside. Okay, because price have tested this particular area multiple times. So we have done with this one. This is just fast quick analysis. You can do more. Yeah, then I will just jump directly to the 15 minutes. Okay, where I will look now for my entry. Okay, so you can see like this market is still trying to drop down. You see our trend line is expected, right? You see the trend line is still what, being expected. So what I will now do is like, this is the current price after analyzing from here. Okay, after analyzing from here, let's say I want to enter for sell, then I'll just come now, take my sell position like this. Maybe I want to do what, a sell stop. Okay, so maybe I want to do a sell stop order. For example, I want to do a sell stop order. Let's say I want my stop loss to be here. Please, whenever you are taking a trade, make sure the risk of reward is at least 1:2. Okay, so if you are risking $10, you want to make what, $20. Okay, so let me keep it like this. So now you see, if this basically is what sell stop order, which means I'm not ready to enter the market until what, price drops to this particular one. So now what are we going to do? You're now going to go to your MT4 or MT5, okay, and try to do this setup. First, this is what, V75. So what I need to now do is like, I'll come here. Okay, I'll come here, then I'm going to check for what, V75. Okay, so V75 is basically so firstly, a minute please. um i need I need to basically change something here. Sorry guys. Okay, so this is what, V75. Okay, so let's see, we have different stuff. So you just tab here, you go to what, the chart of V75. Okay, so you can see this is the PI here. So all you need to do now is like what, you come, you tap V75, you go to trade. Okay, then now you already know this is what, a sell stop order. If you don't know about this one, you need to know, you need to watch the video. You come here to price. So what is our price? You are going to go back now here. Okay, what is our price? So the price is what, the one with the gray, 1039.64. 1039.64 point. Okay, 1039.64.2654. 2654. So you see, we have entered this one. Let's see, 39.2654. Then after which you come again to set what, your take profit. So the take profit is 98,455. So you come to this take profit area, you say 98,4. All right, you need to just 98,455. So 55 points. I hope you guys are following up. 54.75. So we come again, 54.75. Okay, then you come to what, your stop loss. You put again what, the stop loss. This is what, the one at the top with this red, 1066.36. So 1066, okay, 36, right? 1066.36. 36 points. Then you enter the remaining, exactly the figure 40, 47. 40, 47. Okay, so you just enter this one. So now we say what? Sell stop. Okay, then you need to what? Look again here for what? Your lot size. Which lot size do you basically want to use? Let's say we want to use 0. What? Let's say you want to use 0.1 as an example. In this case, the account is small. Let's say 0.0. Okay, 0.01 like this. But now you can't place the order, so we need to basically what? Check our, we need to check our entry price again. 1039. 64. Okay, so what we'll do, guys, just a minute. So you come back here, trade. To make it very easy, I don't know what the issue is. You come back here and you just try to tab here. You tap for sell stop, fine. Then let's look for the price. So the price is what? The price is 1039. So you just tap at the top, look for 10, 35, 36, 1039. Okay, price have, we can't basically enter this because price have reached that point. Currently the price is 1040. Okay, yeah, so we can just say 1034, okay, or 1033. You can basically just put this 1033. So let's say we want to set our sell stop order from here. We have entered place, okay, we have entered place. So now what you can basically do is what? You tap what? Stop loss or your take profit. So the take profit price, now you look at this price here, okay, 98,455. So you come back, yeah, 98,455. Then you basically what? Just go ahead and try to what? Follow the same process. Okay, this is what you follow the same process. Let's use the 15 minutes. Okay, so you can basically come back, yeah, and what? Just set what? Your take profit. So you just tab in here, set the same take profit as well. Okay, then it's going to show you even the amount you are going to make. After which you tab, you see like this is the take profit. You tab modify here. Okay, this is only for MT5. Otherwise, you are going to enter manually, and you come again your stop loss, the same stop loss here again, which is 1066. So you come back here, 1066. So let's go up to 1066. So you tab in, you see what? Stop loss 1066. Okay, so you go to 1060. Okay, you see 1066. Then what? You modify again. Okay, so you modify again. So now we are not in this trade. You see currently, if you just tab in, you are going to see what? Your stop loss here and our take profit. All right, our take profit here. So which means we are saying now, if we go back basically to what? Our chart, the what? Price have basically not what? Triggered yet. Okay, if price drops and it reaches what? This our particular price point here, it reaches, then what? We are now going to enter the trade. If it price drops and it's our take profit, then yeah, we are going to be in profit. So this is basically how you what? Analyze. Okay, you analyze and you basically what? Use this. So if you want to cancel this one, you can basically what? Just delete. We have not entered the trade. Okay, we have basically what? Not entered the trade at all. All right, so you can cancel, I think, internet stuff also. All right, so now it's gone. So let's say you basically want to use the chat. You might want to ask, is this compulsory for you to use this? No, it's not like compulsory. Okay, sometimes I basically don't use this. I just use this normal chat. So you can still do the same setup again. Okay, you can still do the same setup here again. You have what? The trend line and everything. You come to what? Objects. You can see what? This is the zone. Yeah, okay, for you to draw what? Your zone as well. So you have all the stuff here again. It's not like compulsory. You need to basically use this one. Okay, so you have all the zones here. You come here, you can see all the other objects. If you want to add, look for object that is not available here. You just what? Add. Okay, this is for the trend line. If you want, you can basically come here, use the trend line as well. Okay, so it's not like compulsory, you need to basically use this. So if I want to enter now, let's say I want to enter immediately now when the market is dropping, I can just what? Tab in for what? Sell. Okay, when I tab in for sell, now I'm currently what? In the trade. If I want to set my take profit and stop loss, I don't need to start what? And come in here again to set take profit and stop loss. All I need is to go to the chart, tab in the entry trade. You are going to see this pop up. Then you can just what? Set your take profit. Okay, you can just go ahead, set your take profit like this, and you tab again the trade. You go to SL. Let's say you want to only lose like what? $1. You are risking $1 to make what? $3. Okay, then you can basically what? Just do like this. So at the end of the day, if you tab in here now, you're going to see SL and you're going to see take profit and all. So this is going to be your current profit or what? Your current loss. Okay, your current loss. One thing you must know again also is like for you to know like an account is basically like what? Real. You are going to see what? This is not demo, and you are going to see this box at the top here. Okay, when you tab, you are going to see deposit withdraw. For demo account, you're only going to see this plus at the top. There is no like this box. Okay, so this is basically how you tend to basically do. So for example, now in situations like wherein you want to make like what? Profit. Okay, you are currently in profit and you want to basically do break even. All you need to do is like now this your stop loss. Okay, you are going to change this stop loss towards your entry price. All right, so this entry price, this 1039.79.14. So which means now you can even take partial and you hold on again. All right, you hold on again. So for this one, this is like what? A clear signal. I can even take this signal and send to what? My community. All right, I can even take this signal and send to my community. So guys, this is basically how you basically use your phone to analyze. You don't basically like need like a computer and all. It's important for screen visibility for you to see well and all, but you can basically use your phone, whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android. Okay, you can basically do this. So you might want to ask, like there was a little bit of problem with me setting this one. So you can come here again and your buy stop order, you can just enter the price here from the chart analysis. Okay, you enter your stop loss, you enter your take profit here, and you tap place. If everything is what? In good order. Okay, if everything is in good order, you are going to see this box up. Let's say you want to put a stop order of 2050. All right, you put 2050, then you enter the price. If the price is correct, then you are going to see place. Okay, you are going to basically see what? Place order. Yeah, that's basically what you are going to basically what? See. Okay, if you don't have enough fund, just know you can't be able to open this particular trade. Okay, so this guys, this is how you tend to what? Analyze using your mobile phone. Okay, if you want to basically add like what? Indicators and other stuff, these are the place where you can basically add what? Your indicators. Okay, you come to the top, you add your indicators. This is the cross here and all. Okay, this, you come to this setting. All right, in case you want to change the chart color and everything, you want like a line chart. So if I go back now, you are going to just see what? Line charts. Okay, you're just going to see what? Line charts. And also you can come back again and you basically come to candlestick, and all this is basically to set your stop loss level if you want them to be visible on the chart and everything. Okay, so this guy, this is basically how you just tend to enter what your trade. Okay, this is how you basically use your phone to analyze and enter the trade. Let me know if you find value in this tutorial. Ensure to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and let me know the video you want me to do next. Okay, I promise to like look into that and I'll try to work to basically do a video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.